Hello, welcome to Blue Silica Institute of Technology, a training division of the Blue Silica Technologies Private Limited, India. I am here to introduce you to our course. The name of the course is a career course in Android product design and development, leading to a career in mobility domain. You may be curious as to what this course is about. What is a career course? What is Android product? What is design and development? Why do we need to do this course? And what is the value addition of this course to your career? I am here to give some answers to all such questions. What is a career course? Career course is a focused training program to prepare a student for a specific job. It provides more practical training, more on the job experience, and a personalized career plan. It also builds confidence in the student by bringing clarity in what he is going to do in his future. This catch 22 situation of finding a job versus having experience to find a job is a familiar one. Engineering students, mostly after graduation, do not know where to start and do not have a chalked out plan for their future. The employers, on the other hand, are looking for practical skills in the industry, which a fresher lacks. So you see that there is a gap that needs to be addressed. A career course bridges that gap and provides the student with the opportunity to understand what the industry needs and how he can make himself fit into the industry requirements. What is an Android product? Android is a mobile operating system. It is a Linux based operating system designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computers. The Android stack provides reusable modules and frameworks for Wi Fi, 3G modem, Bluetooth wireless connectivity, and provides interfaces for camera, LCD display, touchscreen, multimedia, and various sensors useful for developing wide variety of products that you can see here. The Android technology has gone beyond smartphones and tablets. The open and customizable nature of the Android allows it to be used in other electronic products including laptops, netbooks, smartbooks, smart TVs, cameras, home automation systems, healthcare devices, and game consoles. In addition, the Android operating system has seen applications on smart glasses, wristwatches, headphones, etc. There are so many Android tablets in the market from Rs 5,000 to Rs 50,000, 7 inches to 10 inches, released by many companies like Micromax to Samsung. Even Kindle ebook reader is based on Android. Thus, Android has revolutionized education systems, multimedia, and gaming products. Indian government also has ordered Akash Android tablets costing about Rs 3,000 for distributing among students. Android ecosystem consists of Google, which develops the Android OS. Secondly, Android product manufacturers like Samsung and LG. The next entity is Android App Stores, which hosts apps. Other players are app developers who develop apps. Lastly, various other entities who earn money through advertising, streaming content, etc. Now that you know what is Android product, we shall next understand what is design and development process with respect to Android product. The process starts with gathering requirements and specs from the client. After receiving the specs, we need to design the total architecture and prepare a plan to develop the Android product with desired specs. First, we need to prepare a prototype to cross-check our design before going for the final design. We then select the processor and procure evaluation board which has Android support. We can then develop all the software features on the board and evaluate the result. Once we are satisfied with the result on prototype board, we design the final product. We design our own board with all the peripherals needed for product. It involves porting drivers in Linux environment, porting and customizing frameworks and applications in Android environment. We will do thorough testing and release the product with firmware upgrade feature. There are many chip vendors who support Android for their chip platforms. We can choose one among these chips and design our Android product. Here is a list of big companies which are manufacturing various kinds of Android products such as smartphones, tablets, smart TVs. Here is a list of other mobile OS stacks available. Windows platform is not free. For iOS and BlackBerry platforms, we can develop only applications. Linux, Ubuntu and Symbian OS are free, but there is no proper ecosystem for developers and manufacturers. Other OS are just released and are not popular yet. Android OS is the only one which is free and also has a good ecosystem, making it the most popular mobile OS. Why Android? As of now, Android is number one in smartphone segment and also has a major share in tablet segment. Many factors have contributed towards making Android the world's most widely used smartphone platform and the software of choice for technology companies which require a low-cost, customizable, lightweight operating system for high-tech devices without having to develop one from scratch. At present, a total of 900 million Android devices have been activated and 48 billion apps have been installed from the Google Play Store. Here is the summary list for popularity of Android. It is free, flexible, cost efficient with a good ecosystem. With other real-time OS or Linux OS, maintaining the OS, customizing the applications and managing the code has become difficult. Only manufacturer can do changes in the product. Other users or developers have no say. But with Android, manufacturers just make the product and developers can develop the apps to be used in the product. Previously, the products used to support only one function like media player, TV or set-top box, etc. But now, one Android device can perform so many functions. Android has found use in barcode readers in shopping malls, order booking in restaurants, inventory management in construction companies, and in navigation systems for automobiles. As the scope of Android increases, all product manufacturers have to plan for Android products. The outsourcing companies need Android expertise for supporting manufacturing companies. They all need to recruit Android developers. Android developers will have a lot of freelancing opportunities as well. They can develop apps for third-party companies or they can develop and sell apps in the App Store directly. The industry requirements and freelancing requirements leads to increase in demand for Android developers, thus paving way for an excellent career and a bright future. We have designed the course in such a way that students can exploit the opportunities available once they complete the course. It is left to you to take the right decision at the right time and take the first step towards a promising future. All the best. Here is our contact information. Please do call us or write to us for any further clarifications. Thanks to all.